Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sitting down with you, no cleaning, nothing like that. I just wanted to really talk to you about how I'm planning to save money for the year 2021 because sis, I gotta get my life together, all of it. So I want you to come along on the journey, be my accountability partner, and I hope that this inspires you to get on your game as well. So let's jump right into it. Wait, I should let you know that Cain is not a financial advisor or guru, just a mom trying to save some coins. Okay, back to her video. Okay, so the first way that I'm going to be aware of my money is to first build out a personal budget sheet. So my personal budget sheet is a simple Excel sheet, and on the left hand side going down you have my income, my home expenses, daily life, and my savings plans, and any miscellaneous things like subscriptions. So I have like my full-time job, which is a teacher's pay, any additional school pay that includes bonuses, stipends, any type of additional money that comes from schools, from my school, other streams of income such as YouTube, hopefully, and any other creative endeavors that I partake in. That additional streams of income will go in that bracket. Then you have your home expenses, so everything that I'm responsible for in the house, which is electric, water, gas, my credit card, my life insurance policies, my car insurance, the cell phone bills, and car payments. And then you go down to like groceries, then any activities that the kids have that includes their hair, getting their hair done, any classes or whatever I pay for them. And I have separately my kids swim class because all of them do that, and that comes out monthly. And then I also have like my high yield Roth IRA account, my nest egg, all of my saving mechanisms that I have there. And then I also have any subscriptions, so internet service, Netflix, Audible, Ring, Apple One, Disney Plus, my braces, or any debt payouts that I plan on paying off within that pay period. All of that is listed here. And then across the top you have the actual dates that I get that my income comes in, which I based it off of my teacher's pay. So at all of the times that I get paid for the first 5 months, guys, do not stress yourself out and try to do this for a year because it makes it harder. I like to do like the first 5 or 6 months, and then I revisit to make sure everything is working, make sure that I'm hitting goals, and then I do the next the last part of the year after that. I should mention that I base my personal budget sheet off of my net pay, not anything gross, anything like that, off of what I get after all deductions have been taken out. So while I'm not comfortable sharing my entire spreadsheet, I do want to share my savings goals. So my best friend and I are challenging each other to save $20,000 in the year 2021. And it's pretty aggressive for me, but honestly, if I don't have a goal or a savings goal or a reason or something, then my savings doesn't go as planned. And this is $20,000 additional outside of like my Roth IRA account or outside of my emergency nest egg. This is additional funds. So I saw a lot of like spreadsheets for saving this money if you get paid like every week, but I don't get paid every week, and I didn't see any that were based off bi-weekly. Also, you have to make sure that your savings plan is custom to you. So you might not be able to do a consistent, okay, $560 this week and $835 this week that you see here. You might, depending on what's coming out, I have to look at my spreadsheet and see what's coming out, what's going on, to see where I can grab the extra money for. So that's what I spent time doing here. And while for the most part I do rotate between $560 and $835, you do see there like some, it's not like you might see $560 twice because something else may be coming out, or you do see like a big amount here, this $1,111 there, because that's more like a bonus check, or like I get paid 3 times that month, so I had extra funds. So I'm like, yeah, you're going to throw that into the challenge so that you can stay ahead of the game. So that's what I've done here, and I'm sharing this information with you guys because I am asking all of you to be my accountability partner, to push me when you see or hear me say some type of crazy spending. I want you to be like, girl, remember the 20K savings challenge or whatever. Or we can be each other's accountability partner. If you want to do the savings challenge with me, let me know so I can be like, yes, sis, what's going on? Don't do it. Be there, be on your back, be foot on your neck. And I just feel like if I put it out there that I will honestly take it seriously, because that's the type of person that I am. So yeah, if you want to do it with me, let me know. Or it doesn't have to be 20K. It can be 10K. It can be 5. It can be $500. Just having some type of goal that helps you save money, because I'm that type. If I don't have a goal, I'm like, yeah, what? I can spend frivolously. So putting that extra money away and like making it a challenge definitely motivates me to do what I'm supposed to do. So yeah, that's the plan, guys. I plan on sharing with you guys monthly my updates to make sure that I'm on track, and I'm looking forward to your support. Comment down below if you are going to build some type of savings goal. Another way I plan on managing these funds and making sure I'm saving effectively is managing my memberships and subscriptions. So starting with Amazon, I have went on there and combed through all of our subscriptions and our memberships. I'm aware of when my Amazon Prime comes out. I have canceled all of the ones on there you see that says in. I have canceled like Noggin. My kids don't watch that anymore. Yeah, Amazon Music, I had it because I thought I needed it for Alexa, but you can sync Alexa to Apple Music, so it's no reason for me to pay for both of those, so I ended that. And I was also paying twice, as you see Showtime here. I was paying twice for Showtime. I was paying for it and Dante, so of course one of those got canceled. So make sure that you manage your subscriptions. Okay, so tip number 4 is sacrificing convenience. So what that means is sacrificing some of the things that you could cut back on. For instance, me, I'm going to sacrifice just going to the grocery store and picking up whatever I think my family is going to love or whatever I think I want in that moment, but going with a true strategic meal prep or meal plan for the week or bi-weekly, however I see fit to break out the meal plans, and getting what I'm supposed to be getting and not a whole lot of extras. Doing that will save you money along the way. And during this month and during this time that we're going through this, within my grocery haul, I'll be sure to include amounts and how I feel like I cut back. So make sure that you are sacrificing convenience. Also, other conveniences you can sacrifice is paying to get your hair done or paying to get your nails done. Those are things that you can possibly do on your own at home, so I plan on cutting back on those things too. Tip 5 is set a spending budget. Let me tell you something. I know me, if I don't set a spending budget and say this is what you have to spend, I might overspend, which is going to cause me to go into that big huge savings challenge that I'm talking about, or go into money that is not available for just spending. So I have set a spending budget for myself every week. So every week I'm allotting myself a certain amount of money. I think for me, I'm going to have to start off by going to the bank and actually taking that cash out, so that I know that this is the budget. If it's gone, it's gone. So when I want to go to Home Goods, or when I want to go to At Home or wherever, if hey, you think it's worth spending your whole budget here, that's on you, sis. So spending wisely, setting a budget for me helps me to make sure that I'm making wise decisions when I'm buying and not just buying on impulse. Last and final tip is tip number 6, which is exhaust any streams of income that you could possibly have. Think about it. Look at your talents. Look at the things around you. What is something that may be needed that you can provide? What is something that you may be good at that someone can pay you for? Exhaust multiple streams of income. So I have planned for this year to really get my creative juices going. Outside of YouTube, hint, subscribe, share, all of that, so that this can be one of those streams of income. I appreciate you. Thanks. But outside of just my full-time job, I'm looking for other multiple streams of income. Again, I'm getting my creative juices going. I have started some planning for certain businesses that will be coming in this coming year. I've set up some things, so I am definitely looking forward to that and organizing those things so that I have multiple streams of income coming in, and that I'm exhausting all of this talent that you have in yourself. We all have something to give, so I definitely think that you should look into exhausting multiple streams of income to help you save more. Because listen, if you got more coming in, then the more you can save, and you might hit those goals beforehand, or you might exceed your savings goals, and you also have more cash on hand. So if I make more money, then I have more money to spend. So definitely look into investing in yourself and looking for multiple streams of income that can help you make more money and hit those goals. So that is it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. If you are new, welcome. So happy to have you here. Go ahead and subscribe and enjoy the crew. And if you do like these kind of videos, leave me a comment down below, because let me tell you, I am definitely looking forward to you guys holding me accountable to make sure that I'm hitting these goals. The plan is for me to share a video a month showing where I am with the goal, and how much I spent, and all of those things, because I think that this type of organization is just as important as me organizing my pantry, or this is just as important as me keeping a clean and healthy household. So this is honestly a part of that. So welcome along the journey. Again, I expect you guys to hold me accountable, and I will see you guys in my next video, which will be tomorrow. Peace.